Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay for Gumroad with your PayPal. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so head on over to gumroad.com and then we need to make sure to sign into our account. So go ahead and click on the sign in button and make sure to sign in. From there we want to go back to gumroad.com, and where it says search for marketplace or search marketplace, go ahead and find that product you want to buy. Alright, so for this demonstration, I've just typed in anime. So say, for example, I want to buy this, purchase anime aesthetic wallpaper. I'm going to click onto it. And now once we get onto the cart, so we're going to add this to cart. You can see the description, all that stuff. But on the checkout page, this is where we got the option to pay with PayPal. So now, once we're at the checkout section, we'll notice our email address pay with, but there's no option to pay with PayPal here on this. It all depends what you're buying or purchasing. So if I go ahead and remove this anime here, and now I've just got this Nebula, the Foxygen, so I've got the option to pay with PayPal now. So keep that in mind. Some products you've got the option to use PayPal, or some you've only got the option to use your card.